Okay, let me try again. Okay, well, we all know I don't have a very good arm, but you see, there's these cloaking panels on the bottom. They make it disappear. And I know this because one fell out of the sky and hit me right on the head.
No, it's the acorn thing all over again.
Hey, there's no story here.
Well, at least we can sell the video to Chickens Gone Wild.
I'm telling you, everybody, it was here.
Oh, wait, there were aliens!
It's true that well, eyes are glowing and tentacles and maps with planets with exits through them. Ah!
That's enough! Don't make Mommy take away your Streisand collection!
Mom, you leave Barbara out of this!
Why can't you keep that child of yours under control?
Dad! I'm not making this up. You gotta believe me this time.
No, son. I don't. I can't tell you how embarrassed I am, folks. I'm really sorry about this, everyone. Looks like this is just a big, crazy misunderstanding.
Well, other than the penny, this whole evening was a wash.
Oh, Mr. Cluck, don't take it so hard. No one blames you.
Timon, are you crying?
I'm fine. I just have something in my eye.
Here, blow.
You bumba.
Gee, thanks.
Okay, I'm better.
Hello, Waddle.